Welcome back to Study Room 26. Today we've got an exciting and potentially chilling topic to discuss. Somewhere out there in the solar system, an asteroid named 2023 DW is making its rounds. It's about the same size as the one that caused the Tunguska event. NASA initially gave it a low chance of hitting Earth, but that's not the whole story. Stick with us as we explore NASA's risky plan to deal with this cosmic threat. Let's delve deeper into the enigmatic asteroid 2023 DW. Orbiting the Sun every 271 days, this 50-meter diameter rock recently brushed past Earth at just 9 million kilometers away. Initially, NASA gave it a relatively reassuring 1 in 560 odds of striking Earth in 2046. However, recent developments have raised concerns, drastically increasing the odds of a collision. Now picture this scenario. The once favored odds of 2023 DW missing Earth have plummeted to a concerning 1 in 1584. If something goes awry and it collides with our planet, the consequences could be dire. NASA scientists liken it to the Tunguska event, where a similar-sized asteroid exploded in the Siberian atmosphere in 1908, unleashing a devastating airburst. Join us as we explore the chilling repercussions of a potential cosmic collision. NASA's HERA mission represents a bold step towards defending Earth from cosmic threats. HERA, equipped with advanced instruments including an asteroid framing camera, thermal and spectral imaging, and a laser altimeter, will rendezvous with the binary asteroid system, Dimorphos. This mission is vital for understanding asteroid behavior and potentially shaping future deflection strategies. Stay tuned as we unravel the significance of Europe's flagship planetary defender, HERA. NASA's commitment to safeguarding our planet continues to grow. The upcoming Vera Ruben Observatory, set to launch in 2024, will scan the sky, identifying thousands of asteroids with potential Earth-threatening orbits. Simultaneously, the Surveyor mission, launching in 2028, will greatly expand our knowledge of these celestial bodies. With these developments, we are arming ourselves with the information needed to protect Earth from potential asteroid impacts. Mark your calendars for 2029, when the asteroid Apophis is expected to come astonishingly close to Earth, about 19,800 miles from the planet's surface. While this may seem alarmingly close, it's within the range of some satellites, but the real concern lies in the possibility of Apophis's orbit being perturbed, potentially putting it on a collision course with Earth. We're not simply observers in the face of cosmic threats. Scientists have proposed ingenious methods to thwart potential asteroid impacts, including kinetic impactors and even nuclear devices. One such mission, the Double Asteroid Redirection Test that is DART, is captivating. We've actually covered this mission in detail in a dedicated video on our channel, so don't forget to check it out. These innovative approaches could be our best bet to protect Earth from an asteroid catastrophe. Now let's pivot to an intriguing discovery, Comet Berner Bernstein. It's a cosmic wanderer that entered our solar system from an external realm. This comet, unlike any other, has baffled astronomers with its unique characteristics. As we delve deeper into its enigma, you'll find out why this celestial visitor has captured the attention of scientists around the world. Jupiter, our solar system's giant, continues to reveal its secrets through NASA's Juno mission. Deep within its turbulent atmosphere, Juno discovered colossal cyclones and gas layers that extend 1,800 miles below the surface. Moreover, Jupiter's moons hold mysteries of their own, like the recent FM signal detection on Ganymede. We'll dive into these captivating discoveries, shedding light on the enigmatic world of Jupiter and its mesmerizing celestial companions. Throughout Earth's history, asteroids have played a pivotal role in shaping our planet. 5 mass extinctions, including the demise of the dinosaurs, were triggered by colossal asteroid impacts. The sobering truth is that the odds of another significant impact are far from negligible. As we explore the catastrophic potential, it's a stark reminder that vigilance and preparedness are paramount to safeguarding our future against the cosmic roulette of asteroid strikes. So there you have it. Our cosmic neighborhood is full of surprises and potential threats. It's a reminder that space exploration isn't just about curiosity, it's also about safeguarding our planet. Thanks for joining us at Study Room 26. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content. And remember, while the odds may be slim, it's essential to stay vigilant and prepared for any cosmic surprises that come our way.